Hello class 4, a very good morning. This is Pratima Sharma, your English recitation subject teacher. Student, today I will start next paragraph of the chapter 1, Be Prepared. Before start our next paragraph, there is some rule. Have you remember that? A quick revision about this chapter, which we had read yesterday. We had read yesterday for when the all ingredients are ready, they tested by the boys something missing left in this dish, and the boy who is a scout boy, who everyone thought that he is a very good cook, he suggested to scout boys just put some salt in this dish. When they are tested again something missing, then the boy ordered to the troop members just added a bottle of sauce and 1 cup of sugar. When this 1 cup of sugar and bottle sauce added in this dish become a very great taste. When this dish tasted by the Mr. Oliver, he had no idea what the ingredients are using in this dish. Without no idea, he told to the another boy that this dish is very good. And what is this dish name? The one boy is replying, sir, this is a bond bhujia. So next morning, Mr. Oliver decided he teach to the student for trekking, and they will go. They are going in a forest for the trekking, and one time all the boys distract on the way, and Mr. Oliver go in the forest, and all the boys enjoying the evening, and after passing the sunshine and when coming the evening, all the boys felt hungry, and they are decided that they return to the campsite and making up evening meals. And again this meal is a bond bhujia, and this bond bhujia some few new variation added in this dish. Then what will happen next, I will explain today. So student, today date is 15th July, chapter 1, Be Prepared. Open page number 3, come down paragraph number 2. It was growing dark and we were beginning to worry about Mr. Oliver whereabouts when he limped into the camp. He had waited for us at the far end of the forest for a couple of hours. Then he decided to return but got lost in the gathering gloom. Village folk finally helped him back to the camp. He was very angry and made us return all our batches, including my cookery batch. Means when Mr. Oliver, he is going in a end of forest, and he start waiting for all the troop members. But a couple of hours when the passes, he decided that he returned to the campsite. But when he start going on that place, gathering gloom dark, means on the mountain a dark evening is a foggy evening. So on this gathering gloom foggy evening, he lost his way, and to help of the villagers, he reached his campsite, and he is very angry about all the troop members, and he decided that he take all the batches of the troop members, and including the cookery batch also of that boys. So what will happen? Student, in this paragraph one word is coming. It is word meaning is Gathering room means dark evening. Okay, dark evening. Just come down next paragraph. An hour later, when we were all preparing to get into our sleeping bags for the night, Mr. Oliver called out, "Where's dinner?" Means all the troop members preparing for the sleeping, going to the sleeping bag. Then Mr. Oliver asked to all the boys, "Where's my dinner?" In very angry voice. "Where's the bond? We had overs," said one of the boys. "Everything finished, sir." Means one boy, he said that, "Sir, all is over." Means all is finished. "Everything finished, sir," said one boy. Then what will happen? "Where's the bond? He is a cook. Bond, get up and make an omelette." Mr. Oliver loud voice, he said that, "Where's the bond?" Means the boy who's the best cook and who has won the cookery badge. Mr. Oliver called them, "Where's the bond? He is a cook and get up, make an omelette." Then this boy replied, "I can't, sir. I can't do it." "Why not?" Sir replied. "Why not?" "Then why?" "You have my badge. Not allowed to cook without it. Scout rule, sir." Then this boy replied to the sir, "Sir, I have not my badge. I have no my badge. So it is not allowed to scout rule. I make anything in this tent." Then what will sir said? I have never heard of such a rule. But you can take your badge, all of you. We return to school tomorrow. Then sir replied, "I have never known any rules of this type. So, but if this rule, just you can take all the badges, you and your troop members, and we return tomorrow." Okay, we return tomorrow. He said very angrily. Mr. Oliver returned to his tent in a half. Mr. Oliver returned to his tent. But I relented and made him a grand omelette, garnished it with Danielius leaves and a chili. Means when Mr. Oliver returned his tent, the boy who is the best cook and who won the cookery badge, he make a grand omelette, a big omelette with a very delicious leaf and chilies, and garnish it. And what will happen? "Never had such an omelette before," Mr. Oliver said. Means I have not seen this type of omelette. Mr. Oliver said, "Would you like another, sir?" Then Bond said, "Sir, if you want something more." "Tomorrow, Bond, tomorrow. We will breakfast early tomorrow." Then Sir said, "Bond, tomorrow. I will take it. I will test it on tomorrow." But we had to break up our camp in the early hours of the next morning. Of this camp, this camp, because Mr. Oliver ordered that we have returned on the school on tomorrow. That's why the reason this camp break early in the morning. So student, today that's it. I will explain next point, next paragraph on tomorrow. So student, I hope you understand all the points. Again, I will explain in Hindi and very short. मिस्टर बॉन्ड जो जंगल के एंड में इन बच्चों का वेट कर रहे थे, वो गुस्से के साथ वो वापस आने की कोशिश करते हैं, लेकिन वो इवनिंग जो होती है माउंटेन की बहुत डार्क होती है, फॉगी इवनिंग रहती है, जिसमें वो अपने रास्ते से भटक जाते हैं। और जब वो कैंप में आते हैं तो बड़े गुस्से के साथ वो बच्चों पे चिल्लाते हैं, कहते हैं कि हमें वापस तुम सारी सबकी बैचेस छीन लेते हैं और फिर उसके बाद चिल्ला के कहते हैं कि मुझे भूख लगी है। और उनमें से एक बच्चे ने कहा कि सर सारी चीजें फिनिश हो चुकी है। देन मिस्टर ओलिवर गुस्से से कहते हैं कि बॉन्ड को बुलाओ, जिस वो कुक है वो बनाएगा मेरे लिए। तो बॉन्ड वो लड़का कहता है कि सर मैं ऐसा नहीं कर सकता क्योंकि स्काउट रूल इसकी परमिशन नहीं देता है। और सर कहते हैं मैंने ऐसे किसी भी रूल के बारे में नहीं सुना है, अगर ऐसी रूल है तो ये सारी बैचेस तुम अपने रिटर्न ले सकते हो और हम कल वापस जाएंगे। और गुस्से के साथ और फिर बॉन्ड जो होता है वो लड़का एक बिग ऑमलेट तैयार करता है, बहुत ही गार्निश करता है उस चीज को और सर के पास ले जाता है उस टेंट में जहाँ सर जाते हैं। और सर कहते हैं कि मैंने इससे पहले इतना बड़ा ऑमलेट नहीं देखा है। तो वो लड़का कहता है कि सर आपको और चाहिए? तो सर कहते हैं नहीं, इसको हम मॉर्निंग में खाएंगे सुबह जल्दी, क्योंकि हमें स्कूल जाना है और अर्ली मॉर्निंग ये कैंप तोड़ दी जाती है। ओके, so student, my homework is just to write all the word meaning which I had given passing 3 days, 13, 14 and today. Just write in SW copy because I will check your homework. Okay, anytime. So all the word meaning write in a copy, SW copy, very systematically with the dated, chapter number, chapter name. This is my homework. In SW copy. Write the homework in SW copy. Okay, student. Thank you so much. We will meet on tomorrow.